Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard second, semester second book, page number 23. Page number 23, that is exercise. Yesterday I have completed the poem Mary Sunshine. Asked you to learn by heart the poem and write the words for 5 times. Have you written? No? Okay. Now I'll give you the question answers. Question answers. Answer the following questions. Answer the following. Answer the questions in one sentence each. Okay. Now, question number 1 in that A1. Who said good morning to the sunshine? Who said good morning to the sunshine? Right. Children said good morning to the sunshine. Children said good morning to the sunshine. Take the spelling of children. 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 SAID said good morning. GOOD good. MORNING morning to the sunshine. To the sunshine. Where were the children at the sunrise? Where were the children? Where were the children at the sunrise? Children were in their beds at the sunrise. Children spelling take down. CHILDREN. Children were 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 in THEIR there beds 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 at the at the sun sun RISE rise. Children were in their beds at the sunrise. Why are the children surprised? Why are the children surprised? Children are surprised to see the sun rising early when they are still in the bed. Children spelling it down. CHILDREN. Children ARARSURPRISED. Surprised to CSEEC. The the sun rising 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 early 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 when 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 they 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 are ARER still 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 IN in TH the BED bed. Children are surprised to see the sun rising early when they are still in the bed. What happens when the sun shines? When the sun shines, you can see the questions over here also, within the textbook also. Okay, if you find any confused with any question. What happens when the sun shines? When the sun shines, the light of the sun hides stars and moon. Stars and moon. When 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 TH the sun shines, SUNSHINES sun shines, the TH the light LIGHT light, OF of TH the SUN sun hides 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 stars 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 and MOON moon. When the sun shines, the light of the sun hides stars and moon. What does sunshine bring for us? What does sunshine bring for us? The sunshine brings a lovely day full of faith and hope. full of faith and hope. The sunshine, T-H-E, the S-U-N, sun, S-H-I-N-E, shine, brings, B-R-I-N-G-S, brings a lovely, L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely, D-A-Y, day, F-U-L-L, full, O-F, of faith, F-A-I-T-H, faith, and A-N-D, and hope, H-O-P-E, faith and hope. The sunshine brings a lovely day full of faith and hope. And hope. What is the meaning of green world? What is the meaning of green world? Plants on the earth are called green world. Plants on the earth are called green world. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, E-A-R-T-H, earth, A-R-E-R, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, G-R-E-E-N, green, W-R-L-D, world, green world. Next question. What is the meaning, what is the message, what is the message given by the sunshine to the children, to the children? The sunshine told the children to go to early bed early. The sunshine told the children to go to bed early and rise early to be successful in life. Successful in life. T-H, the sunshine, S-U-N, sun, S-H-I-N-E, shine, T-O-L-D, told, T-H, the children, the sunshine, T-H, the S-U-N, sun, S-H-I-N-E, shine, T-O-L-D, told, T-H, the children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children, to go to bed, T-O-2, G-O-Go, T-O-2, B-D, bed, early, E-A-R-L-Y, early, and rise, R-I-S-E, rise, early, E-A-R-L-Y, early, to be, T-O-2, B-E-B, successful, S-U-C-C-E-S-S-F-U-L, successful in, I-N, in, L-I-F-E, life, in life. Now we have completed the question answers 1 to, that is from sub question 1, in that A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 question answers we have completed. Exercise 7 questions we have completed. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is describe the describing words from the poem. Describe the describing words from the poem. Here dash is there. Here dash is there. In your book dash is there. You write here Mary, M-E-R-R-Y, Mary, sunshine, Mary, sunshine, dash children, dash children are there. What you will write here? L-I-T-T-L-E, little, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children, little children, dash moon, here dash is there, moon is there, cool moon, C-O-O-L, cool moon, you write cool moon. D1, dash world, what will you write here? Green, G-R-E-E-N, green world, green world. Now question number 3. Who said these words and to whom? Who said these words and to whom? How did you wake up so soon? Wake up so soon. How did you wake up so soon? Who said these words and to whom? These words, children said these words to the sunshine. ये जो लाइन बोला है ना, हाउ डिड यू वेकअप सो सून, हमें इतनी जल्दी क्यों उठाया, ये कौन बोलते हैं, किसको बोलते हैं, तुम्हें लिखना है. ओके, हु सेड दिस वर्ड्स एंड टू whom? Children said these words to the sunshine. Children, 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 said, said, this, these words, 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 to the, the sunshine, to the sunshine. Children said these words to the sunshine. Okay, early to bed and early to rise. Who said these words and to whom? Early to bed. Who said? Anybody will tell me? Sunshine, yes. The sunshine told these words to the children, yes. The sunshine, the sun, sun, shine, shine, told, these words, words, to the to the children, children. Now we have completed question answers, fill in the blanks, and who said these words to whom. Have you understood? The question 3 we have completed. Now activity language development. Activity language development. Activity language development. So here question number 1 is fill in the blanks using the correct new words from question 2. We must be dash while crossing the road. We, see here, fill in the blanks using the correct new words from question 2 is we must be dash while crossing the road. We must be, what we must write here? Dash is there. What we must write here? Yes, we must be, we must be careful. Care, C-A-R-E, care, F-U-L, full, careful while crossing the road. Yes. The baby is dash. The baby is dash. What we must write here? Playful. P-L-A-Y. Play, F-U-L. Full. Playful. Yes. Playful. Playful. There are dash of grains in the box. There are dash, handful, hand, H-A-N-D, hand, full, F-U-L, full of grains in the box. The grammar book is very dash to learn the language, The grammar book is very, you write here, useful, U-S-E, use, F-U-L, useful. These words how we have got means, see here, there are some words over here in the add here, see here, add full to the given words, write new words. Hand is there, H-A-N-D, hand, see here, handful, then play, playful, care, careful, and one more is there, that is use, useful. With the help of these words we have completed the fill in the blanks. We have completed the fill in the blanks. We must be careful while crossing the road. The baby is playful. There are handful of grains in the box. The grammar book is very useful to learn the language. So now these are the page number 20 24. Page number 24. We use different words. Question number 2. This is, we use different words for different parts of the day. Sana wants to know the meaning of the different words. Select the correct word from the brackets and write in the column A to match with the part of the day in column B. In column B. Time, see here the words are given. Here the words are given. Here are the, in B they have given the sentences, and in A what you have to write? You have to select the sunrise, dawn, evening, noon, afternoon, night and dusk. What we say, these lines are given. Time between midday and evening. तुम्हें सिर्फ इसको एक ही वर्ड देना है. टाइम बिटवीन मिडडे एंड इवनिंग, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? टाइम बिटवीन midday. Time between midday and evening, what we call? Afternoon. See here word is there, no? Afternoon. Right here in this column, here you have to write, that is afternoon. AFTER, after, NWN, noon. Have you got it? Afternoon time between midday and evening. End of the day or time between sunset and bedtime. What we call this? What we call? Yes, who will tell me? End of the day. End of the day जब समाप्त हो जाता है तुम्हारा पूरा दिन. Evening. EVENING. Evening, end of the day or time between sunset and bedtime. Have you got it? Now see here. The C1 is daybreak or first light of the sun. Daybreak or first light of the sun. First daybreak or first light of the sun. Yes, dawn, that is dawn, DAWN, dawn. Now the time when the sun is seen in the west. The time when the sun is seen in the west, that is sunset. Sun, 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 SET, set. The time when the sun is seen in the west. Sunset. The sunset, the time sunset. Yes. Now see here. The time when the sun is seen in the east. The time when the sun is seen in the east. That is sun, SUN, sunrise. Sunrise is the time when the sun is seen in the east. Sunrise कहाँ से होता है? East से होता है. Time from sunset to sunrise. Time from sunset to sunrise. Sunset. Time from sunset to sunrise. What we say? That is night. 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 Time from sunset to sunrise. Midday. हम कब बोलते हैं midday? Noon. That is noon. NWN, noon. And dark light just before sunset. Dark light before sunset. That is dusk. 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 Dark light just before sunset. Now you have understood, children. Afternoon time between midday and evening. Evening, end of the day or time between sunset and bedtime. Dawn, daybreak or first light of the sun. Sunset, the time when the sun is seen in the west. Sunrise, the time when the sun is seen in the east. Night time from sunset to sunrise. Noon, midday, midday. Dusk is dark light just before sunset. Now question number 3 is what? Add full to the given words, write new words. Write new words. Hand, what will you write here? Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Only write F-U-L. Okay. Care, C-A-R-E, care, F-U-L. Play, P-L-A-Y, play, F-U-L. And use, U-S-E-F-U-L. Have you got it? This way you have to go on reading and writing. Now I have given you question answers from page number 23 to 24. 23 to 24, what you have to do is, you have to write for 3 times and learn by heart. 3 times and learn by heart. Have you understood, children? Page number 23 to 24 homework, read and write for 3 times. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.